Wondering about that TME Cooking Light charge on your credit card statement? TME Magazine is a company that provides magazine subscriptions to customers of airline frequent flyer programs, department stores, and some of the world's largest brands. These programs often offer a free trial period after which the subscriptions would continue automatically and be charged to the same credit card used when you accepted the offer. The charge will appear as TME COOK LIGHT on your statement along with our toll-free number for your convenience. Prior to billing, TME Magazine mails a notification reminding you of upcoming billing, the amount that you will be charged, and the date by which to cancel to avoid being charged. If you are ever dissatisfied or desire to cancel the remaining portion of your subscription, or if you simply need to change your address or payment method, please contact Cooking Light customer service at tmemagazine.com or toll free at 1-877-6323189. We would be happy to assist you. Thank you.